Welcome to our first lesson, Learning Ndebele. You will remember that in our first session, which was the introduction, we discussed a brief background of the Ndebele language and the Ndebele people and where it is spoken generally in Zimbabwe. One thing that we might like to add to that brief background is that Ndebele is a very close relative of isiZulu, meaning that their grammar is very similar and also the vocabulary is very similar as well. So today we are going to start learning isiNdebele. I hope we are going to enjoy the lesson. To begin with, what is it that normally comes to your mind when you hear about Ndebele? I know that for most of you, the first thing that comes to your mind is that Ndebele is difficult to learn because it is so full of clicks. Yes, it's true that Ndebele has got lots of click sounds, but we are going to debunk all of those and we're going to teach you how to utter those clicks without any difficulty. But our first point of learning today are the vowels, okay? So we want to know a bit about the vowels in Ndebele. Vowels in Ndebele are very simple. They are uttered in a pure sound without any diphthongs. Diphthongs are long vowels. So in Ndebele, all the vowels are uttered in a clean or pure sound without any disruption to the flow of air or the airstream mechanism, making them mainly short vowels, which are really simple to articulate. So take note of these terms that we are using. Articulation. We are going to be using this term quite a bit, and it refers to how we utter a sound. And we're going to be talking about the mechanisms and the places of articulation. That is where a sound is uttered from within the channel or the cavity where you produce the sounds from. Okay, so we have 5 main vowels that are found in isiNdebele. The first one is A. A, as in amanzi, abantu. A. The second vowel is E. E. Esigodini, endlini. Right? So the first one we said is A, and it's written like that. The second one is E. We gave the example of the word amanzi. So this is the vowel in these 2 places. We're going to distinguish the different variations in the articulation of that vowel later on. The next sound or the next vowel is E. Endlini. The next vowel is I. I. Ibola. Ibola. isiNdebele. I. The next vowel is O. O. Ophezulu. Ophezulu. The last vowel or the 5th vowel is U. Umuntu. So these are the 5 vowel sounds that we find in isiNdebele. Amanzi, endlini, ibola, ophezulu, umuntu. Thank you. This was our first lesson, and our second lesson. In our second lesson, we'll be looking at consonants.